In this video I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on the BMW key case. This is made for an F30 BMW. I imagine it can work on other models as well, but it fits the F30 key very well. And also what it does is the red matches the key and the red on the Sport line key. So let's get right to it. So we're going to cut it open. Cutting towards ourselves so that we have the maximum carnage if it does slip. Now we got blood all over the rug and carpet and everything. So let's pull this off. Alright, so here's the box. It's in German on one side, English on the other. If anybody wants the part number, there's the part number. Okay, so it has some information here also on the box. Okay, so alright, so here it is. I'll just slide it open. And what you get in the box is the key cover made out of leather. It's got this particular one has the red leather, and it also has red leather inside. Good look at that. And comes with a little tool. And what this tool is, it's a key, like a Torx bit. I'll show you what that's for in a minute. Alright, so it's got a nice metal thing on it here. It says BMW, and it wraps all the way around. Here's the key I was telling you about, the screw. Put this in here. That bolt actually pulls this out all the way, and then you put your key fob in it. So, and I know this really well because I've got the same thing here. This is my old one. And the reason I'm replacing it, I've had this actually for a couple years now, and I lost the little screw. So what you're going to want to do when you put yours together, you're probably going to want to put a little bit of Loctite or something on there when you screw this back in. I'll show you in a minute. Because I had an issue with mine where it would always back out, and I would always be taking it and screwing it back in. Well, one time I didn't catch it. It backed out all the way, and it just disappeared. So I've been just kind of sitting it in here since then. It only happened like maybe a few weeks ago. But so I've got this. Luckily Santa Claus found out about my plight, and replaced it with a new one. So that's what we're looking at here. So back to this is a Torx driver, and you just want to unscrew this. Be really careful because it rounds pretty easy. It strips up pretty easy. So we're gonna unscrew this all the way. And this is the piece I lost. Right here. So your next step is to take your key fob, put it in here, and you're going to obviously line up this hole here with this screw hole. So you put it in, put that back in it. And once it's all in place, you just simply screw it back together. So it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure this out, but now for I can do a review on this also because of the fact that I've had it for a couple years. So here's the things I'll say about it. Somebody may call you a bougie ass for having a leather cover on your key, but honestly, you're already driving a BMW, so those people that are going to call you a bougie ass already probably are calling you bougie ass. So no big deal. I like it because, as you can see from my key, this key is for a 2012 F30. It's my daily driver. I use it all the time, and the key looks brand new. So when it's in here, it's protected. This thing has done a great job of protecting it. Like I said, it just kind of gave up the ghost when I lost that screw. And yes, and if people are saying, hey, you can get another screw. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm probably going to put another screw on it, but it doesn't hurt to have two of them. And this one also, the silver, as you can see, started to come off a little bit, so it's getting a little long in the tooth. But this case has been actually pretty awesome. If you need to access the key, you just flip it out. Got all the buttons to it right there. Flip it back in. You can use this to put a key ring on like I did. And that's it, really. I mean, there's not much to say about it. I highly recommend them. They're pretty cool. Like I said, a lot of good protection for your key. So I might use the old one on my other key, because I've got two keys for this car, or I might just for giggles and grins try to see how it fits my the key for my E90. I might try that. So anyway, there you go. Okay, like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit me up, and that's it. Thanks for watching.